During the annual Virginia General Assembly session, VHHA welcomes members of the hospital community to visit the state capitol in Richmond for Hospital Lobby Day. Hospital Lobby Day is an opportunity for hospital teams to see the legislative process in action. What happens at the legislature is history in the making. The decisions made govern our daily lives and impact many aspects of society, including the delivery of health care. Hospital staff who participate in Lobby Day engage with elected leaders who represent their communities and can share their firsthand perspective about real-world challenges and opportunities in healthcare.
One of the main focuses of the association is doing government affairs, representing the interests of our members before the state and federal government. And it's really important to have our members, to have the people actually out there on the front lines of hospitals and healthcare coming and telling their stories to our legislature. And that is what is so important about today. And we encourage everyone who has the opportunity to come down, take advantage of one of these lobby days, meet with their legislators, tell them what is happening in the hospitals, what's happening to our patients.
Joining us today in the gallery are representatives of Virginia's local hospitals and health systems, which serve communities throughout the Commonwealth. All Virginia private hospitals are members of the Virginia Hospital and Healthcare Association, we better know here as VHHA, an alliance of 111 hospitals representing 26 member health systems across our Commonwealth. If they would stand. Madam President, I hope it would be the will of the Senate to give the members of VHHA a warm welcome.
It is invaluable for lawmakers to hear hospital perspectives as they consider legislation affecting the healthcare delivery system. Your story matters. VHHA invites you to join us for Hospital Lobby Day next year and beyond to be a voice for hospitals and healthcare.